How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Now in this video, I'm going to show you troubleshooting step for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue if you're encountering your TikTok photo swipe is not working. Now this is usually happens if you're trying to post something, especially a photo or a video, or from your TikTok story. Now this is just a little bit of a glitch, so all I have to do first is to look for your TikTok app icon. Next is to tap and hold on the TikTok icon right here, and then choose on this eye logo that will redirect you into app info specifically for TikTok. Next is to scroll down, and then under usage, choose on storage. And then from here, you're just gonna need to execute clear cache. Once you've done this, close your TikTok application, relaunch it once again, and then you're gonna have to relog in into your TikTok account. And that's it. That's the most convenient way of fixing TikTok photo swipe not working.